Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to our Leetcode solving section. Yeah, so convert 1D array to 2D array. So very trivial. So given 0 index is 1 dimension, so you get a 1D array, and you want to convert into 2D array. So maybe just see example 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it gives you the m and n, right? So basically, this is the number of rows and the number of columns. Okay. And if it cannot be converted, you need to do it, right? So this is trivial, right? Because you only have one element, but total you should have 1 times 2, right? So the simple sanity check is that if the origin is not m times n, you just return an empty list. Okay. Now, now you just need to understand simple mathematical question, right? I mean, what is the indexes, right? So you can imagine that you have this. Right, and this is m, this is n, right? So this is 0, and this is n minus 1. This is n, and I think it's 2n minus 1. And this is 2n, and that's 3n minus 1, and dot. Okay, I think finally this is, let's say is m minus 1n, and m n minus 1. Okay. Okay, so this is you just package, right? So the answer initialize 0 and append original from I times n to n times I plus n, right? So for example, if I is 0, you start from 0 and up to n. So but Python is do not include the final one, so it's n minus 1. Basically, it's this one. And if m is if I is 1, you start from n to 2n. So basically, it's n to 2n minus 1. Yeah. So basically, yeah, that's it. And then you total have m rows. Yeah, basically you just need to understand what is the correct shape. Then it should be very trivial. Okay. See you guys.